everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is another rainy day, so you know what that means? We're gonna pickle some more eggs! So today's recipe number 2. Excuse my hair, I don't know what's happening here. Maybe I can pull my well, there. Is that better? There's like a lump. It's bothering me. Anyways, today is recipe number 2, and what you're going to need for that recipe number 2 is some beet juice. It calls for champagne vinegar. My Walmart doesn't sell champagne vinegar, so I'm just going to use more of my white wine vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, peppercorns, and cardamom. The recipe calls for whole cardamom pods, but once again, my Walmart does not sell whole cardamom pods, so I got ground, so hopefully that'll work. And then obviously, you know the drill, we're gonna need some boiled and peeled quail eggs. Okay, so this is a pretty simple recipe, actually. We're just gonna stick all our little eggs, bloop, 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 into our jar, bloop, 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 bloop. I did 36 eggs, by the way. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay. And then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. I'm using the peppercorn medley. So 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, and since I didn't have the cardamom pods, I'm just guessing. I put 2 teaspoons of cardamom in there. So 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of cardamom. In we go. Then we are going to add 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 4 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You can use champagne vinegar if you can find it. Voila. And then 1 cup of beet juice. Yum. I've never drank beet juice. 1 cup? Is that going to be enough? I feel like that's not going to be enough. 1 cup of beet juice. There we go. I guess that's enough. Everything is covered. So, there we are. Give it a little shaky shake, get everything mixed up. Oh, it's so pretty though. Look at that. That's so pretty. All right. And these ones are supposed to be able to sit in the refrigerator for just a couple of days, and then they're ready to go. So there we are. Recipe number 2. Super easy. We'll see how these taste. I think after all of these... Oh, I missed an egg! After I've made all my recipes, I think I'm going to sit down and make Micah taste them all. See which one he likes better. But this is recipe number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you liked it, subscribe. And if you really liked it, like it. No, if you liked it, like it. And if you really liked it, subscribe. Because I will have more pickling egg recipes coming up as soon as I can gather up some more eggs. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.